Good night, dear teacher. Phase 3. Running the tryp. Personal presentation. Hello, my name is Iván Mauricio Lagos. I live in Imúes, Nariño. I am 25 years old. I am a student of the UNAT of the System Engineering program. Introduction of the place. Sandona. It is a beautiful town located in the southwest of the department of Nariño. This municipality is one of the most visited places of Nariño due to its attractive tourist place, climate, gastronomy, festivities, and the cultural value of its crafts, which have given Santana national and international recognition. This municipality enjoys a warm climate which is accompanied by the sweet smell of the mixture of coffee plantations with cane crops. It is located at 1848 meters above sea level. You can visit this place through the year. It's really worth it. You can enjoy the landscapes, gastronomy and festivities. You will love this place and you will go back there many times more. Duration of the trip. The duration of the trip will be 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1. On day 1 we must travel from the city of Pasto to the municipality of Sandola. If everything goes unplanned, the trip will take approximately 2 hours. The trip could be a little bit long, but while traveling you can enjoy yourself watching the beautiful landscapes of the region. And along the way there is a lot of nature. There are mountains, valleys, rivers, plants and animals. To watch all these majestic landscapes is a spectacle that you will never forget. Once we get there, we could rent a cottage or reserve rooms in one of the town hotels. Day 2. On the second day, we should visit the stone cathedral, the main park, which is beautiful, and some of the place where they prepared the best typical dishes of the region. I am sure you will love eating melcocha, panela, and all the different sweets that people from Sandona prepare. You will have trouble trying to stop eating them. They are addictive. Don't forget to drink coffee. The coffee from Sandona is delicious and is one of the pets of Nariño and one of the pets of Colombia. To drink a good cup of coffee is mandatory when you visit Sandona. Day 3. On the third day, we can enjoy visiting the landscapes and the mountains of Sandona. We should visit the cane of coffee crops, walk the trails, and go to natural pools, and we could not leave Sandona without visiting tryp, which are the place where farmers prepare the famous panela of the town. In the afternoon we must get ready to say goodbye and to return to the city of Pasto. Means of transportation. To get to Sandona, we should travel by bus. The trip takes approximately 2 hours. Once here, three several means of transportation we can use. Walking through the streets of the town, taking pictures, riding a horse or a bicycle through the mountains, or coffee and cane clubs are examples of 10 activities to do. Day 1. To visit Sandona's Sun Sanctuary and enjoy tasting the gastronomy of the place. Day 2. Buying handicrafts, fishing in the river, swimming in the natural pools are some of the activities you could do on this day. Day 3. To visit the coffee farms and ride a horse. Place to stay. Sun Cathedral, coffee and cane farms, landscapes, mountains and waterfalls. Typical foods. The most representative dishes of Sandona are chorizo sandoneña, melcocha, panela, coffee, and roasted guinea pig. The cost for the tour page is $80, equivalent to 320,000 Colombian pesos. The costs include the stay, transportation, hotel, and food. Thank you very much.